In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control who can add members on a Trello board. Effective management of your team's collaboration platform is essential for maintaining productivity and ensuring that the right people have the right access. By customizing who can add members to your boards, you can keep your project secure and streamlined. To get started, navigate to your Trello account and select the board for which you want to adjust member permissions. You can do this by heading to the main Trello dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Once you've found the specific board, click on it to open. Ensure you're on the board you truly intend to modify because changes can impact who collaborates on your project. Now that you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner, where you'll notice a series of 3 dots. This is your menu button for board options. Clicking these dots will open up a drop-down menu that provides several options to manage your board. From this list, you want to select Settings. The Settings area is the hub where you can configure various aspects of your board's operations, ensuring it aligns with your project needs and security protocols. Accessing settings is straightforward, just a simple click and you're taken to a new menu of customizable options. Once in the board settings, you will see a number of different categories you can adjust. The one we're interested in is titled Adding and Removing Members. Click on this option to proceed. This section is arguably one of the most crucial for controlling access on your Trello board. Here, you'll have the ability to fine-tune who in your team or organization has the privilege of inviting new members to collaborate on the board. When you open the Adding and Removing Members section, you may see several settings that allow you to specify whether only admins or all members can add others to the board. Take a moment to decide what fits best for your team dynamic. If security and controlled membership are a priority, you might want to restrict this capability to board admins only. Otherwise, for smaller teams or open collaboration projects, allowing all members to add could be beneficial. In making these adjustments, you ensure your Trello board remains a secure and efficient tool tailored to your project's needs. This level of control can help you prevent unauthorized access and maintain an organized workflow for your team operations. And that covers how you can control who can add members on your Trello board. By following these steps, you can comfortably manage your board's membership settings, providing a safe and productive environment for your team to thrive. Thank you for watching and happy organizing on Trello.